She's answering the question. What suspense is?
My thoughts are that I think suspense are that we don't know what is going to happen.
Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen. When do we use suspense?
In the story.
In stories. And why is it important? Ankit.
Because that's who is reader, the character in story, he don't know who is behind him.
Yeah.
And the character who is reader know, and he is saying, go run your practice.
Yeah, exactly. So while the character in the story does not know there's like a monster or something behind him, the person reading knows that, right? Yeah, Naresh.
We write suspense because we didn't write suspense. No one read the book.
Okay, I guess without suspense, some books can be boring for some people. Exactly. Yeah, Ravi.
To make story interesting.
Yeah, to make story interesting. Lovely. Now, quick recap. What are the three parts of suspense like what you last week? Nita.
Red flag word.
Red flag words. What is a red flag word, guys? I would love an answer from a dreamer now. I haven't had one. Prince, what's a red flag word? Give me examples first.
In the blink of an eye.
Ha, in the blink of an eye. Love that one. What else?
Please.
Rohit.
All of sudden.
You're almost there. How can you make it a little?
All of the sudden.
All of a sudden. All of a sudden. In the blink of an eye. Okay. All of a sudden. Deepa.
Just then.
Just then. Shobha.
Without warning.
Oh,
This is an eye. Smart dog.
Just then. Yeah, I was just smart talk. Thank you. Just then. Without warning. One last one.
No.
Vishnu.
Instantly.
Instantly.
Even more suddenly.
Yeah, but suddenly is the most boring red flag words. I mean, all of these red flag words are essentially just substitutes for suddenly. Because suddenly, achanak se is a very boring way of saying things, right? What was the last one?
Instantly.
Awesome. What is part 2 to 3? Lashpat.
I think that the second part of sensory.
Sensory what?
Sensory.
Sensory hint. What is a sensory hint? And where does the word sensory come from? Where does the word sensory come from, Shrishti?
This is sense.
Yeah. What is a sense?
This is the five senses.
Perfect. So what is a sensory hint? Why do Gryffindors not know the answer?
I don't know.
Okay, Ritika.
I think that sensory hint means senses hint.
Sensory hint means senses hint. Wow, what a wonderful definition, huh? Come on. Who has not answered me? Shashi, what's sensory hint?
Sensory is something that giving us a clue about that it is going to happen. The smart
Okay,
dog.
so it's a clue. I agree with you. It's a clue about what's going to happen. You can give me an example. So what is the first of the 5 senses? Robin?
Smell.
Smelling. So what's a sensory hint to do with smell? Shobha.
Didi, I smell some muddy.
I smell somebody.
Didi,
Do you normally smell people when you're
I
walking
smell
around?
some birds.
I mean, unless they haven't bathed.
Didi.
Vinita, I smell some dirty. I smell something dirty, okay? It could be a clue of something, yeah?
I think that I smell something very nice odor.
I smell an odor, yeah, like that one. Yeah.
I think that I smell burning.
Oh, I smell something dirty. Okay, it's not for smell. We're getting it really, really fast because you guys have done this last week. What about a sensory clue or hint for what's the next sense?
Feeling.
Feeling. Okay, this is the toughest one. Give me, Tanul, since you volunteered, what's a sensory clue for feeling? And I don't mean emotional feeling, physical feeling. Okay, how would you help it?
Yeah.
Come on, what do you feel that gives you a clue that something's about to happen?
feel that someone follow me.
You feel like someone's following you.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good one. What else? Nargis.
I feel that someone was touching me, and I feel very shivering.
I feel very shivering. I like your idea. Can you put that into a better sentence though? Your idea is correct, but put that into a better sentence.
Yes.
I feel very shivering isn't correct. Who wants to help correct her sentence? Sandhya.
I felt shivering.
I shivered. Not I felt shivered, I shivered. Yeah? Okay, cool. So someone is following me. I shivered. Let's do one for the next sense. I would like a wizard to answer this one. Yasmin, what's the next sense? We've done feeling and we've done smell. What else is there? Of the 5 senses. Of the 5 senses in your body, there's feeling, there's smell. What else is there? Want to talk to us? Huh? Here, exactly, here. What's a sensory clue of you hearing something?
Yeah.
Urushi, yeah.
Is it that I hear someone is coming behind me?
I heard someone coming behind me. I love that. Any more?
I heard someone sound.
You answer me questions. Yeah. Yes? Yes.
I heard someone was biting my sweater.
I hear someone biting my sweater. So, is this something that's happened to you right now? Did you hear people biting your sweater? I'm happy with the attempt, but I hear someone eating my lunch. So you heard the sound of eating, okay? Yeah.
I heard someone is talking.
You can hear talking sound. So any kind of sound. And what is the last one? We didn't do taste. So we did hear, see, smell, and feel. Oh yeah, there was just that. And you can do sensory clues for taste, but that we will teach you a little later, yeah?
First we take that thing.
What is the last aspect in this sense?
Reaction.
What is the reaction? What's a reaction? Rohit, your reaction to my talking should be your silence.
Yes.
What is a reaction?
Please.
Shashi.
This something that did happen, so what did the character did?
Exactly. Prince, tell me what Shashi just said.
Someone.
You know why I chose you? Who can tell me what Shashi just said? The definition of reaction. This is a perfect example of not listening and not showing. Yeah. So Shashi, one more time, please.
Reaction is something that happened, what the character did after it.
Yeah, exactly. Shobha, what did he say?
The meaning of the character do after it.
So when something happens, what did the character do? So let's pretend we're doing this sensory hint. Someone is following me. So I felt like someone was following me. What's my reaction? What would your reaction be if you had this feeling? I would love hands up. Sarah, you have an answer. If you felt like someone was following you, what would your reaction be?